with speaking. That was the biggest concern. Scores were not going up and fluctuating a little bit. So she managed to do that. Apart from that, she did the listening mock test, reading mock test, and individual section-wise mock test. And also, like in speaking, I have been evaluating her personally in the group. Now, all right, let's ask this way. So, Harjeet, like when you were doing the reading mock test, how accurate it is?
It's really accurate, and even I got the exam question from there.
Okay, so basically all the exam, okay, kind of got practice. Now, one thing which is good with the reading mock test, it has got a timer in it, and it's got all those sections that are there in the real test. So if you're not very confident with one particular section, it like pushes you to do it. Okay. The other thing is with listening. So in listening, how many dictations have you done, and how did you practice most of that from the software?
Yes, I practice a lot from there. Even she gave me printouts to memorize the dictations, and that helped a lot because before I hear this sentence, I can understand, but I can't complete it. I forgot. But when I start practicing, it improved a lot.
Okay, and one of the most important thing is with the speaking part, because you were really too worried about speaking.
Yeah, I was. I thought I never do it. Even I was literally crying when I given my first exam. It was really bad.
Okay.
But now I'm in they helped a lot, especially the tricks given by Maya. When I was in the exam room, I thought, oh, Maya told me just don't be so loud, don't, and that helped a lot.
Okay, basically pitch was slightly an issue, but we used the software, we found the exact pitch as a speaker, and then we just worked around with that. Did you change your speaking style? No. Did you do anything like weird, like covering your mouth, doing this, doing that? No. She hasn't changed anything. Nothing has changed. Same person, same voice, same style. It's just about more practice and knowing the right way to do it. There is no shortcut. Okay? And she's done heaps of detailed lectures, heaps of repeat sentences. And I think one way that we did do repeat sentences is by testing a lot, right? With that paper. So we had a printed paper, and it was very intense. For example, we would just say like 1 or 2 words from the dictation or from the repeat sentence, and she would have to complete the whole thing. Okay, so if you can't do it, go back home and do it again. So I've been very strict with her, but yeah, she's been able to do it. Do you have any questions from your ends as like you will be taking the test? Would you like to ask something quickly?
How long did you take the test?
How long? I mean, I practiced for that.
The actual test. How long did you take it?
Like 2 hours, 3 hours. Do you mean that?
The duration.
Okay, the duration.
Yeah, duration.
Did you take any break in between the tests?
No.
So that should be around 2 hours, and
Yeah, it started on 8:30 and finished before 11.
so it should be 2.5 hours. Yeah. So if you do take a break in between, then it gets extended a little bit. But it depends from person to person really. If you feel like I'm getting really exhausted, then take a break. If you feel that I can keep continuing, then don't take a break.
Even if there is a time limit, so
Yeah.
hard to come back and to concentrate again. That's why I
Yes.
just.
I personally didn't take any break as well. So yeah, hopefully it should be fine. Any other questions, guys, like about the question bank practice software especially? So Iqbal, I think you've got you're speaking kind of similar with her. So what scores were you getting in the software?
Software almost same. Like it depends upon how I perform, but mostly I got about 75, 70.
Mm-hmm.
And like before, when I was not sure how to do it,
Mm-hmm.
and that you told me that how to put some pressure on your voice and how to make the changes, that helped. Then I got the similar score as I got in mine.
Okay, so speaking has been accurate with the software, very
Yes.
accurate. Okay.
Right.
So whatever scores you're getting there, if you're not getting
Yes.
good pronunciation scores, you will not get good pronunciation in the real exam too.
Even first time when I got good score in the software, I came to Satnam and said, "Is that wrong?" Because I'm not sure I can get it.
This is exactly what we think. When we get above 18 marks.
You should be fine. Look, the way the software has been.
I speak for the speaking. I practice a lot. Even if in one question I never got score, I text Satnam, "I'm not getting score," and called him and send him. He said, "No, it's okay, but I'm not getting score here." He said, "No, it's okay, Mom."
So yeah, I do. I've shown you before as well. Like I do listen to it, and if there's any particular word mispronounced, I also point that out individually. So I just don't like listen to a few seconds and give a response. I do listen to the whole thing. And one of the most important things is, I think some of you might have the doubt. Is 20 attempts enough in one day for the speaking part?
Yeah.
It
That's
should be
enough.
more than enough, right?
Yeah. That's
Because
enough. Because we still have other
don't
section.
go, yeah, there are other sections, listening, reading, writing. So don't just focus on one thing, that's very important. So from my end, I think my experience with Harjeet only says it's just practice. Just practice,
That
practice.
was your second attempt? No?
I think
Yeah.
it was the third or fourth.
Third?
Yes, but first time when I gave an exam, it was on 2016, and I had no idea what's PT. And someone told me if you got good score in IELTS, you can do in PT. I can't
Yeah.
stay for exam.
That's a bit.
What's the difference between every exam?
Yeah.
Increase or
No, it's increased.
it's big
Very
difference or?
Yeah, from the first one, it's a lot. I think in the first one I got 40 overall.
So speaking was the biggest problem. So speaking was tough, and I think the latest score for speaking is 84. That's good. That's definitely good. So if you guys can definitely practice, I think you should be fine. So congratulations, Harjeet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.